Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I am late, but there was some delays this month in getting my premium Boxycharm box. This is for the month of June, but we're going to jump into all of the fun goodies inside, do a full review, unboxing, and honestly, for a box that was 2 weeks late, I'm not upset with what's inside, and we will get more into that in a little bit. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because I do upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the June 2022 Premium Boxycharm box with me, stay tuned. All right, I know I'm late and this might as well basically be a July unboxing for a June box, but there were some shipping delays. The PR boxes, because this is sent to me for reviewing purposes, did come separate from my base and luxe boxes, so definitely some massive delays there. Not upset about it, it does happen, but obviously that means that some of us have already seen what's in the premium box, so I apologize in advance if this is something you've already seen. Anyway, I do also want to reiterate that this is a PR box, which means it is sent to me for reviewing purposes. However, you are still going to get my 100% honest feedback. Boxycharm and I have a great relationship, and they know if I don't like something, I'm going to say it. So today we're going to jump right on in. First, the theme card, which is the same as the base box, is Boxycharm Express Yourself. Very retro vintage vibes, and not very like Pride Rainbow, but I'm also okay with that. This is also going to be variation 201. So obviously there are a ton of different products that you could be getting. First item out of the box comes from Korres. This is the Santorini Grape Poreless Gel Poreless Skin Cream with salicylic acid to smooth and balance. Retailing for $36, a lightweight gel moisturizer that blurs pores, controls shine, and hydrates all day using a powerful blend of hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid, willow herb extract, and an antioxidant-rich Santorini grape. Now, I am very familiar with the Korres line, but I have not used this specific product, so I'm excited to give this a try. As always, I want to reiterate, once you open this, it does expire after 6 months. So I do have 2 moisturizers that I am currently working through. Once I finish one of those, I'll add this into the rotation to try next. Now, I do really like the Korres line, and grape is such a great ingredient. You know I'm a huge fan of Caudalie, who also uses a lot of grape in their product lines, so I'm excited to give this a try. Next is a product I'm actually going to be passing on. This is the Lorac Pro Palette Artist Edition. This is the Meraki edition. Now I am going to open it and show you guys the inside, but I am not a huge fan of the Lorac eyeshadow formulas. They've just never worked out for me. So rather than being wasteful, I'm just going to get this to someone who I think will get more use out of it. I'm going to be certain to keep the plastic protector covering it. But those are the colors inside. Definitely very muted, definitely basic. I don't want to say boring, but honestly a little boring. From the time Lorac was founded in 1995, the brand has approached makeup artistry with the concept of Meraki in mind, doing things with soul, creativity, love, and devotion. The first ever Artist Edition palette was curated with a selection of 25 of Lorac's most loved shades by artists around the world. 25 shades from neutral browns to glistening golds and soft mauves that blend effortlessly onto the lid and last without creasing, retailing for $45. Now, like I said, I do not love the Lorac formula, so to open this and try it, this is not a new formulation. This is not a new formula. These are all existing shades in their collection, which for me means that I already know I'm not going to like it. So rather than being wasteful and opening it and trying it and then giving it a bad review, I'm just going to pass on it altogether because I am not interested. Next, a product I am intimately familiar with. This is the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Volume Mascara. I have already received this and I used this. It came in an Ipsy for me, and I actually really liked the product. An intensely black, ultra dramatic mascara, custom double cut brush combs through and loads your lashes for the ultimate volume, lift, and definition, retailing for $29. Now, I did get this in the Patrick Ta Ipsy takeover box quite a long time ago, and I am a very big fan of the mascara. It's one of those products that just works. Not my favorite mascara. The wand is a little larger than I like. As you know, I tend to prefer mascaras, it would help if I could find it, that have a much smaller baby wand. because I find it really gets into every single lash for me a little bit better, especially because my eyes are both hooded and definitely my lashes need all the love they can get. Next up is actually a product I'm really excited to try. This is the Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shield. This is a silicone reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. It will catch your eyeshadow fallout and create the straight edge for eyeshadow and wing liner for a perfect application. It doubles as an under eye cooler to help soothe and puff morning eyes. Cool in the fridge or freezer to depuff the under eye area. It is designed with a grip, so no adhesive is needed, retailing for $15. I love the fact that this is reusable because I've used the sticky shadow shields before, or I have used any number of like eye gels under my eyes while doing my mascara and my eyeshadow, and they definitely help. But the fact that this is a gel that's designed that you could throw them in the freezer, depuff the under eye while you're using it to catch fallout is fantastic. Especially, we should be doing our eyes first, and lately I've been really into a lighter under eye application, so a tiny bit of concealer and some tinted moisturizer is all I use, but I still like to go a little heavy on the eye, so having something to catch that fallout is going to be fantastic. Next, a product I have, again, no interest in. This is the Sandbar Beauty Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer, retailing for $28. A sheer and creamy intensifying eyeshadow base that adds staying power and full pigment richness to your eyeshadow, resulting in high definition, crease-defying color, and long-lasting wear, retailing for $28. I have said this before, I do not like any of those like sheer eyeshadow primers. I want a tinted color, I want a cream shadow, and most of the time, you know, MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I mean, this is a brand new jar I haven't even used yet because I just got it yesterday because I am that in need of a new one. I've gone through so many of these, but for me, it is the perfect the perfect eyeshadow primer. Everything lasts well on top of it, no creasing, no flaking, no nothing. And for me, that is super important. These sheer eyeshadow primers, they don't work for me, and I have a lot of red and veining on my lids, so I really need something that's going to even out all that color. Last, but certainly not least, this is the product I was the most excited for. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the cream blush in the shade Soft Pink. Give your cheeks and lips a pinch of color. Irresistibly silky, this weightless, buildable cream blush formula blends into skin seamlessly and lasts all day long. Bonus, it contains hyaluronic acid, so it's going to be nice and hydrating. Now, I am a huge fan of the Dominique Cosmetics line, so obviously this was a product I was super excited for. Additionally, I already have, it's in the same packaging, but it is the cream highlighter, and I love that formula, so I was very optimistic about the cream blush, and I think that's actually a really perfect color for me. Now, this month there were a ton of products in the boxes that were makeup-y, so I'm going to be doing one video putting all of them to the test in one, which I'm going to be posting later next week. Now, all in this box had a retail value of $175, which for the $29, no, this is premium, for the $49 price point, no, I'm making that up. Hold on. For $39.99, you get $175 worth of product. The blush alone is $22, and I'm really excited about the moisturizer, and I do know that I really like the mascara. Excited to try the Shadow Shield. I did only have 2 products that were a fail for me, and that's because I don't like the Lorac formula and I don't like sheer eyeshadow primers. But I still definitely would have gotten the $39 price point out of this box. When I'm looking to see if I think a box is worth it or good, I like to think, would I be better taking $40 going to Ulta or Sephora or Walmart or Target, wherever you buy your beauty products, and buying what I want versus getting the box? And in this instance, the box is definitely better than taking $40 and going to the store. As always, I do want to hear your input, so please sound off down below and let me know, do you think this box was worth it or not? And again, please stay tuned because I will be doing a video putting all of the makeup from all 3 Boxycharm boxes this month to the test in one video. So let me know your thoughts and I will see you in my next one. Bye.